Welcome back. In last video we saw an element called button. It is one of the many input types in HTML. The inputs in HTML are used to get data from the user. There are many types in HTML in which we can get input from the user. But the basic syntax for input tag is input type equal to, here we should enter the type, it can be anything, the text, password, date, etc. and name. Here we should give the name for the tag. The name is based on where you use this input tag. And the input tag is empty tag. If you forgot what an empty tag is, it is an HTML element without closing tag. As I mentioned earlier, there are many types of input. Let's see some of them. The first one is input type equal to text. Here we can get text as input from the user. And next one is password. It is used to get the password from the user. Mostly it is used in the login form of the web page. And the next one is date. Okay, it is used to get input as date from the user. And the next one is button. And the next one is number. It is used to get the input as number from the user. Okay, let's see the output. For input type equal to text, we should give the input in the provided text area. And then for input type equal to password we entered will be hidden by default. For input type equal to date, and by using this we can get input as date. And then button will be appearing like this. And then number, in this we can give the number as input. We can't give alphabet in this area. We have some more examples here. Let's see them. Input type equal to submit. It is used to submit the form when the form is done. The next one is input type equal to checkbox. It is used to get the multiple inputs. And the next one is input type equal to radio. It is used to get the input from the radio buttons. And next one is image. And at last file. It is used to get input as file. Let's see how it will be displayed in the web page. The submit button will be like this. And the checkbox will be like this. The checkbox can be checked and unchecked. The radio button, mostly the radio button is used in the registration form for the purpose of male or female. Then image. And using this input type equal to file, we can select any file and upload it. The file can be given as input using this. Now let's get into a few attributes of input tag. The first one is ID. We will make use of this in JavaScript and CSS. For example, we can give ID as of name. And next one is name. This is very important while using PHP and database. For example, we can give it as first name. And next one is value. This gives the default value to the element. This gives as ABCD. And at last required. This tells the browser that the element cannot be empty. See here, the value we have given there is appearing here by default. Let's see usage of required with most appropriate example in next video. That's all for this video. Thank you. Happy learning.